ready to cash out your Cheelee earnings and turn those views into crypto. This video will guide you through withdrawing your funds from Cheelee to your Bybit account in just a few easy steps, so let's get started. First, open your Cheelee app and navigate to your wallet. You'll usually find this in the Profile or Settings section. Take a look at your available balance and make sure you have enough funds to cover any potential withdrawal fees. Now, switch over to your Bybit account. You will need to find your deposit address for the cryptocurrency you plan to withdraw from Cheelee. Typically, this involves going to your Assets or Wallet section, then selecting Deposit. Make sure you select the correct cryptocurrency and network. Double-check that the network you select on Bybit matches the withdrawal network available on Cheelee. Using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Copy the deposit address provided by Bybit. Head back to the Cheelee app and go to the Withdrawal section of your wallet. Paste the Bybit deposit address you just copied into the designated field. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, being mindful of any minimum withdrawal amounts or transaction fees displayed. Double-check the address you have entered and confirm that everything is correct. Cheelee might ask you to confirm the withdrawal via email or a two-factor authentication method. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the withdrawal request. After submitting the withdrawal on Cheelee, it may take some time for the transaction to be processed and confirmed on the blockchain. You can usually check the status of your deposit in your Bybit transaction history. Once the transaction is confirmed, you'll see the funds reflected in your Bybit account. You're all done and ready to trade.